was busting on the edge of that. What would you do if the dogs were still out?
We'd have to go get them.
That's for sure. I mowed the lawn at the right time. Our driveway's gonna flood, you think? Yeah.
Good.
Mom, imagine all the hail that's getting into the pond. Oh man, those fish.
Probably scared, you think?
What are they gonna do? Do you think it's gonna overflood?
No, it'll be fine. We'll check it when it's done.
At first, when Dustin called me, he said, "San Logan, we're going to be picking you up at N5." He said N5, so I was like, what? And then he said at 5. Well, look at the hail come off his roof over there. First it's like water, and then the hail is shooting. Seems like it's hitting harder now.
It is. Like popcorn off of that, huh?
Yeah. Whoa, look at all that.
Look at them go in the puddle.
Look at them all, like, take the gravel down all the way from that little dirt hill, and it makes a river all the way down to the gutter.
Yeah.
Ours, it slants in at the end, so it has to get a lot of water to do that. But it's about to. I think it stopped. I think the hill's done.
Yeah.